When you refund a multi-address order in Shopify, the payment and the inventory don't live on the same order. Let's walk through how to refund and restock correctly. Once a multi-address order is paid, Giftship cancels and archives the parent order and generates a child order for each address. Because the parent order holds no real inventory, refunds go on the parent order, and restocking happens on the child orders. For this demo, let's visit the parent order. Click Refund. Refund the order in full or in part. These line items are placeholders, so checking Restock here won't touch your actual inventory. Restocking happens on the child order. Next, head to the child order for any address you're restocking. Click the Refund button at the top of the page. Select the items to refund, make sure Restock is checked, and uncheck the notification box. No need to alert your customer about a $0 refund. Now, the important part. Set the refund amount to 0. The child order never collected any payment, so there's no money to refund. Then click the Refund $0 button. And that's it. Refund the parent to return the payment, refund the child at $0 to restock the shelf. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.